Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter from Dallas, Texas, and what you are looking at here is Power Lead System, and I can't stress it enough how powerful this system is for promoting whatever business that you may be promoting online. Now, you have access to templates and capture pages, and let's check this one out right here. With this capture page, you can promote whatever you want. You can change the videos and put your own video inside. I just want to let you look at a couple of these draw-in pages or capture pages that you can use, and it's just phenomenal. It's something that every marketer can use for his own business opportunity to promote it globally, and it's just awesome. I'm just having a good time. I'm taking my time with this video just to let you know how important it is to get your product out there so the public can see. You can use these capture pages, and you can reprogram or revise them for your own capture page. All this in here, you can put whatever you want to advertise your own business opportunity. You can change the background as well. And I just love it. With each capture page, you can put a funnel on it, an autoresponder on it, which you have unlimited autoresponders, messages, pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf to promote whatever business that you are promoting. And if you don't have a business opportunity or a program that you're promoting, that's no problem. Up here you'll see different funnels that will go out to your subscribers or your list. And we know that the main thing about building a business is a contact list, and this is the way that you can build a contact list. We have even campaigns that will go out to promote the next hangout, and once that hangout come up, the tags that are at the bottom of the hangout will be representing you once you have joined the Power Lead system. I just love this program or this marketing platform that I use each and every day. I even have one down here, a couple of them down here I made for myself. I can show you one right quick, and we can go from there, just to let you know how easy it is for you to build. And these tags at the bottom, this is me up here I've made that video. These tags at the bottom, you can revise them to what you want to put in there, whatever business that you are promoting. I'm promoting Traffic Monsoon, Four Corners. Lead Lightning is the Power Lead system. Lead Lightning is where you can come in at $7 one-time fee, but later on when you start making money, you want to upgrade to the Power Lead system as a gold member, where you can have access to all of what it's offering. And I'm just excited about it. I got sign-ups. I brought in 4 gold members just on last week by using this system along with Traffic Monsoon. I'm going to show you one more thing. In this system, you will have unlimited subdomains that you can make with these capture pages and to represent whatever you are promoting. All of these are my subdomains. Let me show you one right quick, and then I'm going to leave. This is one right here. This is just explaining. It's a Google Hangout. It's explaining the most complete and powerful all-in-one marketing platform. It's explaining about the Power Lead system, and when they click start my free trial, you will gain that lead, or you will be selling the platform to that lead once they get started. It's all-in-one system that you can use and hook it up with any autoresponder, which we already have our autoresponders for you to use. At the bottom of this video, there will be a link to the Power Lead system, the lead lightning part, and you can join up. Just pay the $7, and that's a one-time fee, and then you can start using the autoresponder and the capture page to get paid every time someone opt into your capture page, lead lightning, and pay the $7. You get $6 of that $7. So opt in, sign up from the link below. Power Lead system, we're here to stay, and we're powerful. We're promoting our business through it, and you can do the same thing. My name is Marlin Carter, out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good and pleasant day or night. It's been a plum pleasing pleasure as always. I must say bye-bye.